YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and I'm back to do another video. Really excited to do this video because this video is my first video in my Travel With Me series, so I'm really excited and do not mind that random light that's in my head. The sun is starting to go down, so I probably will have this random strip of a light just in my face, so don't even mind it, okay? Okay, so anywho, like I said, this is the first video of my Travel With Me series, and I will name this one the planning, because in this video I'm just going to talk to you guys about my planning and stuff and kind of just introduce why this series and why I want to do it. So as some of you guys may know, if you did watch my previous video and my I'm back video, which I will definitely put in the down bar, so definitely check those videos out. I am going to Jamaica on vacation this summer and I am super excited, and I said, hey, why don't I bring YouTube on my trip with me? So I'm definitely going to include you guys in all of my planning and all my trips and vlogs and all that stuff. So this is why I'm going to be calling this my Travel With Me series of videos. Okay, so like previously mentioned, I am leaving on July 17th, which is in about 2 months away, and I have already started getting my stuff together. If you watched my previous video, which is my plus size summer vacation haul, you guys saw that I did start to pick up a few items from the store for my vacation. Now, I do go to Jamaica very often. I go to Jamaica at least once a year. So I do have a couple of clothes and stuff from last summer and my last trip to Jamaica, which I can still bring back. But you know, of course, when you go on vacation, you want all type of new clothes, even if you have a lot. And trust me, I have a lot. I'm buying a lot of like dresses and like accessories and stuff. The most things that I haven't been buying a lot over here is just bottoms, because I am a plus size girl, as you guys know, and finding bottoms in regular stores aren't that easy of a task for me. And if I do find them, they're like really expensive, sorry. So my best bet is to go to Buffalo to shop, or go to the States in general to shop. So me and my mom will be going to New York in the beginning of July to do some shopping, so I'm really looking forward to that. But as of right now, while I can, I am picking up a few items here and there when I see them on sale. So like in my previous haul video, it was Victoria Day and Urban Planet had a sale, buy one get one for $1. So I did buy a couple of items in the store. And here and there, when I drop in the mall and I see something, I do buy it and put it down and stuff like that. So I do have a good amount of stuff so far, including some of the things I had from before. So I mean, I don't really need that much stuff to go to Jamaica, but obviously I'm gonna want to buy a whole bunch of new stuff. So yeah. I don't know about you guys, and I don't know if it's just like a Jamaican thing or whatever, because I am Jamaican. So like I was saying, I don't know if it's a Jamaican thing or whatever, but when you go to Jamaica and you're from Jamaica, or your background is Jamaican, or whatever the case is, you have to go down looking like a hot gal, and obviously I'm trying to buy all my hot gal clothes because I'm trying to look like a hot gal in Jamaica. Okay, I'm super excited for that. I've been just trying to buy a lot of dresses, because dresses just look really nice on my body, because I will say I'm a little curvaceous, okay? It's summertime and it's fun to use bright colors and things like that. So I have been trying to find my hot gal clothes up here, and yeah, I'm really excited to go. Like, in my head, I have envisioned a really nice outfit. Like, I want to wear like coral. Like, I don't know, coral just looks really nice against my skin. So I just really want to wear like a nice coral top and like some nice like black capris and like matching shoes. Like, I don't know, that's what the outfit I have envisioned in my head looks like. But I don't even know if that outfit even exists, so I'm hoping something works out for me. But yeah, definitely have to look good when you're traveling, and that's just me. Like, personally, whenever I travel, no matter where it's going, I always want to dress up. Like, I'm not the type of person who's gonna travel in sweats. Like, you will never catch me walking through the airport in sweats. And another thing, I don't know if it's just me, but I am obsessed with the airport. Like, I just love the airport. Like, I don't know what it is about the airport, but I just love going to the airport. Like, I love being there. I don't know what it is, but I just love it, and I've been like that since I've been like really young. Like, I just love the airport. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I will go on YouTube and search up videos of people at the airport and watch them and feel very excited. Am I the only one who does that? Am I? Okay. But anywho, that's just me. Like, I just love it. So definitely when I go to the airport, I always want to look like a hot gal. So I'm hoping that outfit comes true some way, somehow, because I know it'll look really nice on me. Next thing on my agenda is my carry-on handbag. Now, I do have a carry-on suitcase, although I think I do need to buy a new one. I think mine is getting a little old, but I do need a carry-on handbag. And my 2 previous videos, I did show 2 handbags in that video, but those are the handbags that I want to use when I'm in Jamaica, like my day-to-day traveling and things like that. But to go to Jamaica, I definitely want a big, nice handbag that can hold all of my stuff, because when I travel very heavy. Like, I don't know how to stay within the weight limits. I don't know why, but I just want to bring the whole world in the kitchen sink with me. And my hand luggage, like, you never know what you're gonna need on the plane, right? So definitely want to bring a lot of things with me on the plane. So I definitely want a bag that's big enough to carry all of my things. I want a bag that's big enough that it can hold my tablet, my 2 cameras, my new camera that I'm going to be getting, as well as my vlogging camera, my wallet, and then all of the rest of my life that I put in my bag, because I just like to put my whole life in a bag. I don't know why, but I have to just bring a million things in my bag with me. So I'm looking for a bag that's big enough to bring all of my things. So far, I have been looking at the Victoria's Secret Love Pink Canvas tote bag, and those bags are so cute, and I feel like those bags would hold everything, and it's small enough to bring as a, you know, a handbag, not too big to be considered as a carry-on suitcase, because you're only allowed 1 carry-on suitcase. So yeah, I'm hoping I find a nice big like handbag, but if not, I will definitely just buy the Victoria's Secret Love Pink bag and use that as my handbag. Another thing that I'm really looking forward to on my trip is going to the hotel. So when I go to Jamaica, I do just stay at my family's house, because I do have family that lives in Jamaica. But from time to time, we do go to the all-inclusive hotels for a few nights. And this trip, we are going to the hotel, so I'm really excited. We will be going to the Riu in Ochiria, so I'm super, super excited for that. That hotel is beautiful. So if you guys are looking for a nice hotel to go to in Jamaica, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you go to the Riu in Ochiria. That hotel is just beautiful. The scenery is just beautiful. All the food, because it's all inclusive, so it's all you can eat food and all you can drink drinks, okay? So yeah, I mean, the hotel never sleeps. I mean, at night there is a lot of entertainment, and during the day there's a lot of different activities that are going on as well. So I'm super excited to be going to the hotel. I will definitely be vlogging and things like that, so you guys can see what I'm doing. And also, when I am going to Jamaica, I do plan to do a lot of videos and vlogs and things like that, so be sure to follow me on Instagram at Lady Clark, so that you guys can follow with me, because I tend to update that a little bit more often than I update YouTube. So definitely follow me on Instagram so that you can see the different things that I'm doing and things like that. Another thing that I've been doing is shopping online. Now, I have an obsession when it comes to shopping online. I went broke because of shopping online. I don't know, I just love shopping online. Like, there's so much of a variety there, and there's just so much better things online than in store. So I have been doing a couple of shopping or window shopping online. I do have intentions of buying some things from some websites. I've started to already buy things from AliExpress, and I know y'all are saying, Ashley, you bought things from AliExpress? Yes, I did buy some things from AliExpress, and it's not hair, because y'all know AliExpress is known for hair. But I was looking on AliExpress one day, and I noticed that they actually do have a lot of nice accessories and things like that. So I did order like a watch and like a cell phone case, a makeup bag, and a eyeshadow palette. So I'm hoping that those come in time, because you know when you're getting things from China, they can take a bit of a while to come. So that's why I decided that I would get them early so that they hopefully come in time. So yes, when those things arrive, I will definitely do my AliExpress haul. I also want to buy some things from shopmissa.com, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's an online accessory boutique that has everything for $1. Like, everything on the website is $1. Earrings, necklaces, bracelet, hair clips, hair bands, whatever, everything is $1 on that website. So I am going to buy a few accessories for my trip, and I also want to buy some things from ikhouse.com, which is another accessory boutique that's online that sells accessories and cosmetics. So I definitely want to check out those websites. There's also another website called gstagelove.com, and it's a store that I don't know if they actually have a store, but I know they can buy things online, and they have some really cute plus size stuff on there. So I definitely want to buy some things from there. Also, I want to get some things from Forever 21 and drjs.com. So I am going to be doing a little bit of spending for this trip, but I'm definitely going to try not to buy things that I don't need. I'm just going to buy things that I do want. So yeah, just a couple of items in terms of like bottoms and like dresses and accessories and stuff. So yeah, I'm hoping to order all of those by June 1st. And when I get those things, I'll definitely do a vacation haul for you guys. So yeah, I mean, soon enough, within the next 2 weeks, I am gonna buy my suitcase so that I can actually start to put my things in my suitcase and not have them hoarding in my closet, because my closet is full of just a whole bunch of plastic bags with clothes in them and stuff. So yeah, I do hope to buy my suitcases soon so I can just start to pack it slowly but surely, because I don't know why, but every time I travel to Jamaica, like when me and my mom go to Jamaica, we always say, yo, we're not gonna do no last minute packing, like we're gonna have everything done from before. And like all the time, no matter how much we try to prep, the night before we are always like taking everything out and repacking and getting like no sleep the night before and going on vacation with like bags underneath our eyes. And especially like how I'm working now, I don't really have the day to go out and do my stuff because I'm at work all day. So I'm really gonna try to get my things sorted out early so that I don't have to be doing any last minute things. So I definitely want to buy my suitcases early so that I can get my things sorted out so that I don't have to do any last minute packing, because I ain't trying to do that. I'm going to Jamaica, going to Jamaica, I'm going to Jamaica, going to Jamaica. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long for you guys. I know I personally like watching videos about people traveling, so I really hope you guys enjoyed mine. Definitely stay tuned to watch the rest of my travel with me videos. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to me, subscribe to me now. I'm your girl Ashley. Hey! And if you did like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Bye!